Uh, Hello, my people. Welcome to Aquaculture Consultant and Training. I am aquatic scientist Davido. I do deal with aquaculture services and also aquaculture research. I also deal with medicine research team. We are located at Busia. We are also located at Kisumu. We are located at Migori, Homa Bay, and Siaya, but we are aiming to occupy all counties in Kenya so that you can get our services easily. So for those who don't know me, I am a aquatic scientist Davido. My phone number is 011-560-7230. Otherwise, thank you for joining. Kindly please just do us a favor. Before we proceed, subscribe there so that we can get used to aquaculture services. Remember, aquaculture has a lot of revenue in East Africa as a continent, and also Africa in general, because we do export fish products to European countries, and we do earn a lot of revenue. So as you subscribe, we shall be back soon, but keep watching. Thank you very much. Let me see this. Let me have a look. Just hold on. Thank you for those who are kindly joining this session. For the sake of those who have joined recently, I am aquatic scientist Davido. So don't mind about my age. You can see me as young as you can see me, but I have a lot of experience in aquaculture. So for those who willing to start aquaculture, you can kindly reach me via WhatsApp number 011-560-7230 so that I can assist you on how you can start aquaculture business. First, you should have maybe a small portion for land just for our startup, and also source of water, because fish is an aquatic organism. They do survive in water. They cannot survive without water. So you must consider slope of the land. Not every land can be cultured fish on, so you should consider the slope of the land. Also, you should factor on water, so you should have a source of water. If you don't have a source of water, you can just buy some water tanks so that you can harvest water anywhere, and that water must be done analysis. So we also do water parameters whereby we do assess each and every parameter in your water, but sensitive thing is just pH. We do value the pH. Forget about the temperature, because temperature can rise, can lower down. So we as fish consultants, we do focus with one thing, and that one is water pH. So we have some different types of fish species. We have Nile tilapia. Nile tilapia can do survive in a water pH of neutral from 7 to 7.5. Also, we do have catfish, which is called in a scientific language as Clarias garapinas. It's also sensitive to water pH. So we also do fish breeding. We have some WhatsApp group whereby we teach fish farmers on how they can culture fish. Also, those who are located around lakes or rivers, dams, you can also do culture your fish in cages, whereby you construct a cage and install it in a dam. But first you must take some sample of the water that you need to culture fish in, so that it can be processed. They give you some analysis so that they can help you to know whether that water is good for culturing the type of fish species you want to culture. So before you start culturing fish, you must do consultation on aquaculture consultant, so that he or she can advise you depending of fish species you want to culture. And also we have different fish species that are cultured into different geographical areas. Like from western side, you can culture Nile tilapia, Orochromis niloticus. You can also culture catfish, which is scientifically Clarias garapinas in western region. So we have also fish species that can be cultured in a Rift Valley where the temperatures are low, something like that. So before you select the type of fish species you want to culture, you must be sensitive to climate. Like the climate in western region, tilapia can do survive well in western region because it's a little bit hotter. They can survive in water ranging from a temperature of 25 degrees Celsius to around 28-30 there. So our waters are good to culture tilapia and also to culture catfish. So you should also consider that in order to produce quality fish in market. So meanwhile, thank you for those that are joining us. Before we proceed, kindly please subscribe, comment, like, share, and everything will be all right. I can see someone by the name Stephen Omondi. I can get you from Homa Bay County. Stephen Omondi has just requested for me to explain something on fish breeding. Thank you very much, my friend. We have different types of fish breeding, whereby you can do artificial breeding. So under artificial breeding, we have various techniques that are used in artificial fish breeding, and also you can leave your fish to breed naturally, and also after breeding them. So you should collect the eggs and you incubate them, for a period of 21 days. After they've hatched, some farmers do like male fish. Male fish grows faster than a female fish. So for those eggs that have hatched, we have something that is called sex reversal, whereby we give them a feed that has hormone that can transform them from being female to male. So we feed them immediately after hatching, 7 days after hatching. So when you give them those feeds, they will automatically 99% transform from female to male. That is a good idea. I think I have given you feedback on your question. Please don't feel offended. You can send us many questions. Thank you very much. Be blessed. Otherwise, subscribe for those who wants to construct fish ponds, install hatcheries, formulate fish feeds. You can reach me via WhatsApp number or through a phone call. My phone number is 011 560 7230. Otherwise, thank you. Be blessed.